Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about maltose. You know friends, maltose is 4-O-alpha glucopyranose D-glucopyranose. This is the name. And maltose has a molecular formula carbon 12, hydrogen 22, O11. You know friends, maltose is also called malt sugar and may be obtained by the action of an enzyme diastase on starch. Maltose can also be obtained by the acid hydrolysis of starch. Acid hydrolysis of starch. If maltose is subjected to acid hydrolysis, only D-glucose is obtained. What? Only D-glucose is obtained, which indicates that glucose is the only monosaccharide unit present. Furthermore, maltose is oxidized to maltodic acid by bromine water. It reduces a Tollens reagent, Benedict solution, and Fehling solution. It forms OSA zone with phenyl hydrazine and exhibits mutarotation. So, maltose must have a latent aldehyde group in one of its monosaccharide unit. You know, my friends, maltose is hydrolyzed by maltase. The glycosidic link of the non-reducing half of the maltose molecules, glycosidic linkage of non-reducing half of the molecule is therefore alpha. My friends, when maltose is oxidized with bromine water, then what happened? The latent aldehyde group of maltose gets oxidized to carboxylic acid and therefore maltonic acid is obtained. I repeat, my friends, when maltose is oxidized with bromine water, the latent aldehyde group of maltose get oxidized to carboxylic acid and therefore maltonic acid is obtained. You know, when maltonic acid is further completely methylated, methyl octa O-methyl maltonate, methyl octa O-methyl maltonate is formed, which upon hydrolysis gives 2,3,4,6 tetra O-methyl D-glucopyranose from the glucoside component, and 2,3,5,6. First one 2,3,4,6 and the second 2,3,5,6 tetra O-methyl gluconic acid. So you have two products. One is 2,3,4,6 tetra O-methyl D-glucopyranose and the second one 2,3,5,6 tetra O-methyl gluconic acid from the alcohol component. As free hydroxyl group are present in positions carbon 1 and carbon 4, in this product, it indicates that the glycosidic linkage in maltose involve these carbon atoms, means carbon 1 and carbon 4. Carbon 1 of one molecules and carbon 4 of another one. and that the original ring size in maltose were pyranose. So maltose may be written as, I will show you in my next video the only structures, how the structures. So maltose is a reducing sugar, and carbon 1 of the reducing half is free. And since maltose forms an osazone, carbon 2 is also free. That is not combined with an alkoxy group that is explained by Gemplin in 1927, and gave another evidence for the fact that carbon 4 of the reducing half is involved in the glycosidic linkage. Now, further he added, degraded maltose may one carbon atom using Vol's methods and obtained a compound which still formed an osazone. This indicates that carbon 3 is also free. On the degradations by one carbon atom, a compound was obtained which did not form osazone. And this indicates that carbon 4 in maltose is not free, but it involved in glycosidic linkage. So my friends, maltose exists in two different anomeric forms, alpha and beta. Due to the presence of free CHOH in maltose, the presence of two anomeric forms also explains the phenomenon of meta-rotations. You know, the value of specific rotations, alpha D, are plus 1.68 degree for alpha maltose and plus 112 degree for beta maltose and plus 136 for equilibrium ratio. So my friends, I hope it is helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.